Hello and welcome to today's video on what you can do with ICX switches in RUCKUS SmartZone. Adding an AP to SmartZone is incredibly easy. Just like with APs, you can use DHCP option 43 to supply the SmartZone IP. However, you can also manually do this via CLI using the SZ active list command. In SmartZone, you assemble your switches into switch groups. These switch groups are great for keeping track of where your switches are, and can even be used to ensure that all switches have the same firmware version on them. Once your switches have been added, SmartZone will regularly collect information on the traffic passing through them. This information is displayed in the handy graphs on the Traffic tab. Here you will find the total traffic usage and the top switches by traffic. You'll also find a breakdown of the unicast, multicast and broadcast traffic, as well as any port errors. Having all of this information readily available can really help to highlight any problem areas on your network. SmartZone also collects system information from each of your switches, such as MAC address, IP address, firmware version, and serial number. This information can be found in the Overview section, as well as the General tab under a specific switch. Additionally, you can see information on the switch's health, highlighting key indicators such as CPU and memory utilization, temperature, and fan and power supply status. SmartZone makes switch configuration painless. The Configuration tab gives you access to switch level configuration, such as IGMP snooping, ACLs, and VLANs, whilst the Ports tab gives you access to port level configuration. By selecting a port and clicking Configure, we can apply those ACLs and VLANs, as well as managing PoE and spanning tree. Configuring all of this in SmartZone can really simplify switch deployment, as the config will be automatically downloaded and applied once the switch comes online. Switch configuration is regularly backed up and can be viewed, compared, downloaded, and restored from the Configuration Restore tab. Whilst monitoring your switches, SmartZone may generate alarms and events based on certain parameters. These can be automatically emailed to your support team, ensuring they never miss a thing and are aware of any issues as soon as they happen. SmartZone can also be a very effective tool for troubleshooting issues on your wired network. The LLDP neighbors and wired clients tabs can be of great use for tracking down where a device is connected and what VLAN it's in. In addition to this, the troubleshooting tab gives quick access to switch logs, as well as the use of the ping, traceroute, MAC lookup, and cable test tools. As you can see, SmartZone is an incredible tool for your entire network and provides a single pane of glass assisting you in effortlessly monitoring and managing both your wireless LAN and your LAN. This brings us to the end of today's video. Thanks for watching.